Pets are important family members that deserve the best health care, but an unexpected vet emergency can take a bite out of your wallet. Pet insurance helps pay for your dog or cat's medical bills if they get sick or injured. It covers treatments such as x-rays, medications, surgeries, and hospital visits. Some plans even cover acupuncture and aromatherapy when prescribed by a vet. Accident and illness coverage is the most popular type of pet insurance. It pays to treat accidents such as broken bones, bite wounds, and toxic ingestions, along with illnesses including cancer, arthritis, allergies, and hip dysplasia. Some companies also offer wellness benefits for costs such as vaccines, checkups, and grooming. Pet insurance doesn't cover pre-existing conditions, which are illnesses or injuries your pet has before your policy kicks in. Pet insurance has no networks, so you can see any licensed vet you choose. After your visit, simply file a claim, upload your bill, and wait to get reimbursed. Your four-legged companions are more than friends. They're family. Get peace of mind knowing they're protected with a pet insurance policy.